Hello everyone, myself Sujit Sanjay Patil, faculty Shri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandals, Rasiklal M. Dhariwal, College of Pharmacy, Chinchwad, Pune. In this video, we are going to see about the topic of pharmacology and toxicology named as drug abuse. Overview. What is drug abuse? Physical and mental dependence, cause of drug abuse, route of administration, sign and symptoms of drug abuse, how drug addiction occur, categories of drug abuse, various types of abused drug and their side effect and mechanism of action, prevention and control of drug abuse. What is drug? A drug is any substance that when absorbed into the body of living organism alters normal bodily function. Drugs are chemical that change the way a person's body works by altering emotions and thoughts. Drugs have been part of our culture since the middle of last century. Drug abuse may be defined as the habitual use of drugs not needed for therapeutic purpose solely to alter one's mood, affect of state of consciousness or to affect a body function unnecessarily. Continued use of drugs can lead to drug dependence, a state of physical and mental dependence. Commonly abused drugs: marijuana, cocaine, heroin, alcohol, morphine. Sometimes sedatives, coffee and cigarettes can all be used to harmful excess. Signs and symptoms of drug abuse. Physical warning: bloodshot eyes, pupils larger or smaller than usual, changes in appetite or sleep pattern, sudden weight loss or weight gain, deterioration of physical appearance, unusual smell on breath, impaired coordination. Behavioral warning: poor work, decline in performance, financial problem, secretive behavior, sudden change in friends and associate, accident or trouble prone, lack of motivation and withdrawn, unexplained anxiety. These are the signs and symptoms of drug abuse in two states, that is physical and behavioral warning. Effect of drug abuse. Drug abuse leads to loss of coordination, poor judgment, slowed reflexes, distorted vision, memory loss. Age-based statistics. Almost 5.8% of the adult population, nearly 25% of youth population. Drug abuse, drug dependence, physical and mental. This is the tree chart. Physical and mental dependence. In physical dependence, the body has been altered in ways that create carvings for the drugs and manifest withdrawal symptoms. Mental dependence. In mental dependence, individual believes that optimal state of well-being is achieved only through action of drug. Causes of drug abuse. Some are the causes of drug abuse are unemployment, financial burdens, socio-civilization culture, curiosity, experimentation, peer pressure, addiction, sexual involvement, failure in exam, breakup relationship, depression, illegal relationship, others. Route of administration. These are the some route of administration through via drug abuse get addicted the drug. Oral route, that is due to mouth, injection via intravenous or intramuscular, snorting via nose, and smoking. These are the route of administration. Categories of drug abuse. These are the four categories of drug abuse, that is narcotics, depressants, stimulants and hallucinogens. Stimulants. Stimulants are drugs that stimulate the brain and the central nervous system, increase the state of mental alertness, decrease appetite. The examples are amphetamines, cocaine, nicotine. Effect of stimulants: wakefulness, alertness, increase energy, restlessness, euphoria, confusion, reduce appetite, increase talkativeness, increase breathing and heart rate, elevated blood. Depressant. Depressant is a substance that reduces the normal body activity, function or an instinctive desire such as appetite for food. It is also known as downers. Classification of depressants: alcohol, barbiturate, cannabis, opioids, benzodiazepines. Effect of depressant: highly addictive, produces sedation, dizziness, hypnosis, anxiety, permanently damage of developing fetus. Opioids. Synthetic and semi-synthetic compound used as analgesics and suppress diarrhea, cough. Street name: dope, painkillers, oxy. Effects of opioids. Common effects, that is constipation, dry mouth, sedation and sweat. Less common: delirium, seizure, urinary retention, hallucination. Morphine. Analgesic and narcotic drugs act on central nervous system. Isolate from crude opium. Street name is smack dragon H dope. Side effect of morphine. If you can't remember much about morphine, think of morphine. Meiosis, out of sedation, respiratory depression, pneumonia, that is a respiration, hypotension, infrequently, that is constipation, urinary retention, nausea and emesis. These are the side effect of morphine. Hallucinogen. Hallucinogens are substances that alter sensory processing in the brain, causing perceptual disturbance, changes in through processing and depersonalization. Types of hallucinogen: psychedelics, that is LSD, peyote and mescaline. Dissociative, that is magic mushroom, and deliritants, that is dhatura or Jimson weed. Treatment of drug addiction: hospitalization, behavioral therapies, occupational therapies, change in addict's social environment. And always remember that prevention is better than cure. Prevention and control of drug abuse requires knowledge of causes of drug talking behavior, sources of illicit drugs, drug laws, treatment programs, community organizing skills, persistence and cooperation of various individuals and agencies. Elements of prevention, that is say no to drugs. Education, treatment, public policy, law enforcement. Education and treatment goals same. Reduce demand of drugs. Public policy and law enforcement's goals same. Reduce supply and availability of drugs. That whole leads to make aware about drugs and drug side effect to public. Thank you.